I purchased this book from a bargain bookstore. It's approximately 250 pages. Anyone who's ever flown on a plane should read this book. It has a wealth of information. And as the author says, one of the scariest things about flying on a plane is not knowing what the noises mean, what's actually occurring. The author explains it. He goes into extreme detail. He explains everything about runways. I mean, more than you really could possibly imagine. He explains the meals. He goes into detail about the toilets. Anything, weather, instruments, the crew. It's just amazing. There's so much information. And it really makes you feel confident flying and having this information. I think everybody should read this book. Highly recommended. Ciao.